If you'd like to save as much as 33% on our most popular plants, we have great news. Our new Build Your Own Garden program lets you save big on our best sellers. Our containers are set up to accommodate 9 plants, 12 plants, or 24 plants. When customers order a different quantity, we end up shipping empty air. It's just wasteful. It occurred to us that if we could fill our shipping boxes regularly, we could pass savings on to customers like you. There's nothing we'd like better. And so, our Build Your Own Garden program was born. Here's how it works. We're starting with 3 popular categories: shade plants, drought-tolerant plants, and pollinator-friendly plants. For each category, we've selected 2 to 3 dozen of our most popular plants, which we're offering in 3-packs. Choose 3 varieties for the 9-plant box, 4 varieties for the 12-plant box, or 8 varieties for the 24-plant box. You'll save a tremendous amount, anywhere between 25 and 33%. Want plants that birds, bees, and butterflies can feast on? Our pollinator-friendly garden choices include Asclepias, a butterfly magnet, show-stopping Gnophofia, and fragrant Monarda, otherwise known as bee balm. For shady gardens, your choices include a wide selection of Helleborus, adaptable hostas, and other shade garden staples like Astilbe, ferns, and pulmonaria. Finally, our drought-tolerant choices include ever-popular Echinacea, long-blooming Salvia, and cheerful Gaillardia, among many others. To see all our money-saving build-your-own garden choices, click the link in the description below. And for more ways to make gardening easy, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.